Welcome back in the Not Just Sawdust workshop. I am making the first grooves for these sliding dovetails that are going to come in, and I've got this router from Mark McClooney. He sent it to me and I thought, well, this is a router with like a bushing, so I made a template according to the bushing and the diameter of the router bit. But it turns out that the router bit is not in the middle of the bushing. So you got like 1 mil on one side and 2.5 mil on the other side. Still, the measuring is okay, but I cannot turn the router around or something. I have to keep in this direction and in that direction. But 3-1 done, one more to go, and then we put a dovetail router bit in there. First get this one off. use sliding dovetail in there, and then later on the legs on it. But now I have to figure out how wide these middle boards need to be, and for that I've got to mount these on first and then see how far the long ones are going to be inside the table. That's the only thing I couldn't really measure, because if I just take 1 millimeter off, while with the planing you take half a mil more off or whatever, then it wouldn't fit. So that's why these last two are going to be measured when both sides are on. You gotta work in a certain way, so, but this actually works. So a table without glue, only held together by the joints itself. That seems to work, and so now I can measure the side for these ones. At least I can make a line where they have to come, and obviously these ones have to be cut. Now I could make a dovetail on this one and then router it out from that one, but that would make it a little bit of troublesome when you have to take it all apart. So I would just want to make these in and then put two dowels in the side here. I think that's the best way. Yeah, that's the best way. I think that's it for this video. everything's together, but now I just have to sand this all and then flip it around and start working on the top. I put a few plugs in there in the end, and that's at these corners. So I just drill the hole, put a dowel in, so it can't move that way. So, but the legs fit, and of course I'm going to sand them a bit so that they go smoothly in, because they will be held in place by little brackets that come on the inside. Yeah, I'm going to make a few more videos, hopefully, in a quicker tempo. I'm in the workshop anyway every day with this virus spreading around, and here on the lonesome hill, well, it really became a lonesome hill. So if you're at home, be safe and be careful, be creative, spend your time at least doing something. And it doesn't have to be woodworking, but it's a nice way to spend your time. You could do so many things with old scraps that are laying around, because recycling is an even better way to spend your time. So keep safe. See you all in the next video. At the logo.